What's up, DistroKid users or people that are hoping to start using DistroKid very soon? This is a series where we are covering DistroKid marketing tools, and the first one we are going to start with is called the Hyperfollow feature. What this is basically is a free landing page tool that allows you to grow a fan base using the DistroKid platform. Imagine having a website where you can display the cover art for the song, your social media accounts, the streaming platforms on which the song has been released, and then if you have even a music video, you can embed it on that particular website. On top of that, you can actually add pixels or fragments of code that can allow you to track traffic that is coming to the page. That is basically what a Hyperfollow link is. To access this, you need to log into your DistroKid account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the My Music page right here. One thing you can do is either come to the bottom here. Here you'll find different options. You come to the Hyperfollow tab right here. The second way you can access it is come here, and then you come to promote yourself, and then you'll see the Hyperfollow feature revealed here. So we are going to use this. Once you click on it, it will bring you to a page that shows Hyperfollow links that have been created for all the songs that you've released through DistroKid. So this is all the music I have here, and here you are able to edit it, copy the URL, or hide it, and it not be visible anywhere. Now, to edit it, you click edit, and then you come in here. My info, you'll see the image is the cover art, song title, the artist. You can add a location, you can add a bio, talk to people about what the track is about, and then down here you can add links. You can see there are already some links that have been added by default, probably where your music has been released. And then below that, you'll find the social media buttons. Here you'll see that I've added Instagram. These ones you have to add them yourself. So if you want to add your YouTube, if you want to add your Facebook, you just add right here. You click that, and then you choose which social media site you want to use, and then you paste the link there. Once you've done that, down here you can embed a video. You can see I already had a video shot for this song, so I put it out, and I'm going to show you how it looks, so just stick around. And then at the bottom here you can see embedded audio player. I already released the song through DistroKid, so it's already out. And then more settings. Here we talked about ad tracking pixels, so you can see that there's one for Facebook and one for Google, which basically allow you to see how many people, how much traffic is coming to your Hyperfollow link or your website in this case. Now, if you want me to do a dedicated video about pixels, leave a comment below and I'll prioritize it. And yeah, click the subscribe button and also the notification bell. And then after you've made the changes, you save them, as you can see here. So you can copy the address here and then you paste it into your bio on all your social media platforms. Now, let's go back to managing pages. Now, you can do that for any of your tracks. Another thing you can do is add a new page. Here you can see that I added one. I didn't go too deep into it, but basically what happens is you can add your name here. Let's say Mr. from Uganda, that's my artist name. So I put it here, I put my image here, I put a title. Maybe I have a campaign that I'm running that is specific. Maybe it's March related. Maybe it's I'm having my March on a different platform such as Etsy or Shopify, and I don't want to send people directly to that. I want them to have a feel for who I am, what my brand is, maybe what my thoughts are, because I'm able to put in a bio as well. Maybe I want them to see my location. So maybe it's part of my strategy to building a relationship with them. I could use this. I add the link right here, my Shopify or Etsy link, or whatever link I'm trying to promote right here. Maybe it's a show, and then social media buttons, and yeah, it's really the whole shebang right here. Now, I want to show you an example of what the link looks like. Let's click this link here. Boom. This is what it comes to look like. So here we have a preview. Here we have a social media icon added. Remember, I added my Instagram. It's right here. The title of the track, my name, then the music video is added here, and then the platforms that were added in the Hyperfollow link back end are added here as well. And this is what it looks like. It's a simple layout. You can customize it right here if you want. You can go ahead and take a look at that. Lastly, I want to show you another Hyperfollow link for another creator that I actually, whose content I actually consume, but I like how their link looks, right? So here, It's not too much going on. It's called Bales Pagliacci. He has this podcast called the Rapper's Guide Podcast, which he hosts with Diggy. I've forgotten his second name. If you're watching this, sorry, I've forgotten your name, but yeah. So basically, he has a song called Mr. Famous. This is his name. You can add the location here. You can see Jersey City, New Jersey, and then the description. You don't need to be famous to live a luxurious life, and then his social media is right here, and then where the songs are put out, the platforms that he wants to promote. Instead of putting too many, you put the platforms that you feel your audience is mostly tapped into. So I liked how this came out. So there are different ways you can play with the Hyperfollow feature, but it allows you as an artist to have your own website essentially. So let me know if this is helpful, and you can again click the subscribe button, the notification bell, if you want to follow this series of DistroKid marketing tools. See you in the next one.